Now, citing past incidents where Congress government has formed in certain states, we are looking at senior Congress leader Ramesh Chennathala, who is now hit back at the Prime Minister. He says that the Prime Minister should not forget that it took 50 days to announce a Chief Minister in Delhi. He is accusing the Prime Minister of memory loss, saying that he is now criticizing the Congress while ignoring past delays coming in from the BJP side. He is also defended, meanwhile, his party is concerned, saying that it works in a democratic manner.
The Prime Minister's comment is unwarranted because in Delhi, where the Prime Minister is staying, they decided the Chief Minister after 50 days. After the election, they took 50 days to announce the Delhi Chief Minister. He has to answer that. Now only 5 days are left. We have a democratic practice. Observers came here. They met all the MLAs individually and collectively. After that, they have submitted the report. The leaders were called to Delhi. Sri Rahul Gandhi and Congress President Kharge spoke to all of us. Now, decision is left to the Congress High Command.
Arpita, good morning. Again, the decision is left to the Congress High Command. So what are we looking at? Any breakthrough inside? Because it will be almost soon a week when it comes to these election results that have been announced.
Well, rightly said, Amita. It was last Monday when the results were announced, and it's today. It's Monday again, and there's no announcement on the chief ministerial phase yet. What we are being able to know is that on Saturday, when the meeting was held with the High Command, when all three top front runners of the CM race, that is K.C. Venugopal, V.D. Satheesan and Ramesh Chennathala, spoke to High Command. Initially, the High Command was at the opinion that because MLAs, most of the MLAs are in favor of K.C. Venugopal, they were in this that they will go with that decision. But later, it is sources are saying that during the meeting, V.D. Satheesan and Ramesh Chennathala, both of them were stern that they will not agree to this, and also V.D. Satheesan had earlier made it clear that if he is not made the chief minister, then he will not be part of the cabinet. So because of that, V.D. Satheesan also put in forward that alliance partners clearly are in favor of V.D. Satheesan, and also the public sentiments are with him.
Yes.
So making it clear that they should take a decision.
So the CM conundrum, the dilemma that continues as far as in Kerala is concerned, back-to-back meetings that have happened. However, there is still no breakthrough in sight. Exactly who would be taking the position of the Chief Minister of Kerala. Thank you very much for the moment, Arpita, for joining us here on the broadcast. We head into a very short break. The morning news are continuing.